Hello to everyone, welcome to Step by Step All Around the World YouTube channel. Our stop today Barcelona from Spain. Barcelona, Spain's largest city after Madrid and the autonomous region, owes its reputation to the works that have become the identity of the city, the artist Gaudi, who guided the modern art movement, and the interesting city settlement with a great plan from the 1900s. Described as one of the most beautiful cities in the world, Barcelona hosts thousands of tourists every year. Since the influence of Catalans is more dominant, bullfighting and flamenco, which come to mind when Spain is mentioned, gave way to sardana dance in Barcelona. Sagrada Familia, which has become the symbol of Barcelona and should definitely not be seen, bears the signature of Gaudi, who has added many values to the city and has been under construction since 1882. This building, in which Gaudi gave his creative power and life, is also home to Gaudi's tomb and is planned to be completed in 2030. Many of the city's architectural and historical values have been recognized as UNESCO World Heritage List. These include Park Güell, Casa Mila, Sagrada Familia, Hospital de Sant Pau with its beautiful nature and spatial architecture. The city is also home to a magnificent museum of important artists such as Picasso, Miro, and Dali. Barcelona is not only attracted by its architecture or art, it also offers good options for summer vacation lovers. There are clean and white beaches both in the city center and in the suburbs that can be reached in a short time by train. All these features keep the city's economy at a high level, and with the contribution of the Barcelona alone, Catalonia is among the richest regions of Europe. It will be a good choice to travel to the city where the subtropical climate prevails between May and October. During this period, air temperatures range between 25 to 32 degrees. The absence of precipitation creates an ideal period, especially for sea vacationers. Thank you for watching my video. For more content and support, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video.